Welcome everyone to another video. My name is Hago, aka Hags, and today I've got a different style of video today. We are almost complete on my property flip, but it's about time the driveway and garden gets cleaned up. But I'm not just getting anyone in to come and help me do this job. I've got two of my closest friends to come and do this work and smash it out, and hopefully we can get this all done in one day because we traveled 2 hours. They've obviously got other jobs to do, and I don't want to be spending 2 days trying to get this done. You will see the full progress from start to the middle to the end of how we all get on and get this done as quick as possible. And then at the end of the video, there's a quick tour of the property since we are almost complete. And I did say I wasn't going to show you till the finale. Here's a little sneak preview of how it looks. So let's get straight on into the video. So here is the before, and the driveway itself, it's not too bad, but it's just overgrown. All the weeds are just overgrowing into the path and you can't even walk straight. So this all has to go and just needs to be tidied, and that's the main important thing about this. You can just see again, there is not even a path in sight. There is actually meant to be a path going all around the back garden, but you physically can't even get there, and I can only film as much as possible because it was so overgrown. And really, I took this video about a month or two ago, so it's only got worse over time. So it's a matter of time that me and my friends come and smash this out, taking 1 day to get this all clean and tidied so you can see the full potential and size of this garden. So we're almost halfway through the driveway slash garden conversion, or should I say tidy up more or less. So the driveway we're leaving till the last stage. It's really not much of a big problem. As you can see, it just needs a tidy up. That's all it really needs. This is a new skip that we've got in because we've got so much rubbish, which you'll see now in the garden. But we can show you an update of how it's all going and then an update of the house. Everyone, we are almost finished, and yes, there's a few bits and bobs which are going to go. For example, like this door, like all that pile there, that's for my builder to do. As you can see, the conservatory at the back has completely been taken down, and of course that will be tidied up. Final patches will be done. All the windows are in, which looks lovely. This shed we're looking to keep, but you can actually see a path. Once again, this will be gone as well. My builder will be taking that. All this path just looks very clean. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know how dark it is. It just looks very presentable, and that's what you want. Going around the side here, you can see it again. Really nice. We kept part of the apple tree, because why not? But there we have it. That's the garden. We'll go into the driveway now. We're just doing final bits again. You can see everything once again all tidied up. That will be gone, all that will be gone. Once that's gone, this will get a nice blow over and it will be clean. This of course will go as well and look so much more presentable. So I thought, let me come back the next day to show you all the driveway, garden, and a little tour of the house just before it's on its final touches. I did say I wasn't going to do another one, but we're here now, so it's not the best condition still, but it's because you can see we still got a skip and we still got rubbish here, but you can see the bush is nicely cut down. The driveway in general just looks a lot more presentable. I mean, of course this will go. This is nice and flat. That's nicely tidied up. And then even going around the side here, you can see the access is just a lot more cleaner, open. This is all of course going, that's going. This used to be the conservatory here, which is of course now gone. This pile of rubbish is obviously going, but you can just see there's an actual path now. And how much nicer is it? Of course that's all going. how much nicer is this? This will stay. I think I'll just leave it like that. This I'm looking to get rid of. My builder should get rid of that soon, so that will open it up even more. How lovely the space is. Going around side here, you've got another pathway, which I never saw in the first place. And it just looks so much cleaner. That will stay as well. It's like a little shed at the back. This will all go, but you can see inside that all needs to be cleared out. You've got another path this side, and then just leading onto the back of the garden. So you can see how much more presentable it is. You can see the sheer size of the garden now. Even though it's a corner plot to an extent, it's still semi-detached, but it's still a corner one. These ones tend to have a garden that cuts in really sharp, but in this case it's just a really large garden in itself. Let's go on in the house, and you can see we are practically finished, really. I mean, only so much left to do. Going on in, you can see just the flooring, the walls are painted. The bathroom needs installing, that's just arrived, so this should be done in the next week. And we'll go on into the first reception room. The doors looking fantastic. This room just looks clean, tidy. Not the biggest, but it's a reception room for a reason. The staircase, of course, will have carpet. And then going on into the grand opening. And look at this. Open, I want to say living there. Put a nice dining table down here somewhere. And then, I mean, the kitchen's basically done, really. I'm surprised that I shouldn't really be showing you this, but how nice does this look? I went for a floor that's slightly darker than usual, but it's actually not that dark now I think about it. The tiles, you can sort of see they've got a grey feature in it, which matches the floor. Go upstairs, and you can see once again, all plastered, all painted, new windows throughout as well. And it just looks beautiful. The 4 bedrooms, we'll have a quick glance in them. That's the 4th bedroom, very nice. You got the second bedroom, sorry. Because the size of it, it can't be a 3rd bedroom, what am I talking about? And then you got the master bedroom here. And then the 3rd bedroom. Hope you enjoyed the garden transformation, the driveway transformation. Of course you are seeing the finale next. That should be basically done. I mean, we have maybe a week or so left. I've been Hagop, aka Hags, don't forget the name. I'll catch you in the next.